Guys, Bitcoin could be actually pumping further. We literally got the inflation data being bearish, and as you guys know, I don't care about news, and quite the opposite. Whenever we usually get or tend to get bad news, Bitcoin pumps and vice versa. So right now we are above the value area high. I've got a new trade set up, potentially a long, and also if we keep on pumping, a potential short. And to be honest, Bitcoin seems primed for a potential upside move, because obviously guys, we've been consolidating for almost or even more than 2 months now. We've been saying that whenever Bitcoin gets above or below the value area, meaning that we either cross the value area high from the top, or I guess go below the value area low from the bottom, we could be getting a strong move. And now with this consolidation being 2 months old, 2 months long, and now we are getting a strong move above the value area high with a clear local trend uptrend being high and strong, we could be getting a move further. And that's why I've been saying in the past videos and live streams that even though maybe you don't have a long from lower, maybe you don't have a short from, I guess, higher, you should not be trying to short this right now. Nothing has been or had been bearish on Bitcoin, even though what usually happens when anybody misses a long chance, so whenever somebody sees Bitcoin start to pump all of a sudden, because obviously, yes, we were downtrending, we were talking about the potential likelihood of dropping further, but when Bitcoin pumped, everybody was asking me for the past week or so, can I short? And I've been saying, guys, that to be honest, yes, we are at above a critical point, but you shouldn't be shorting or jumping into a short randomly or immediately, because obviously Bitcoin has done nothing bearish yet on the chart, and quite the opposite. Right now we have retested the value area high zone, and we are reclaiming it. So I've got new ideas of longs. If we drop, obviously I'm going to be given longs. If Bitcoin never drops, unfortunately, my friend, no longs are to be given, because if you didn't catch the longs we gave prior to that, so I'd say this one on Tuesday and even the one on Sunday/Saturday, you shouldn't have or you shouldn't try to short a long right now, guys, neither. Or should you actually short? To short, you want to wait for 74k for a potential scalpy time frame one, and better one, I guess 81 would, or 80k would be the one for a better higher time frame short. So right now I'm still leaning towards higher if Bitcoin holds on to 71. If we start dropping today, I could be looking for a little time frame scalpy time frame kind of long, which is us taking the low of the day as we always teach. So we got right now 71.4. I think we also got the value area low, or the POC here. Yes, we got the value area low, and also we got this new daily level sitting around $71.40. So this is the zone where I could be looking for a long. Anybody that missed, I guess, the longs we gave on retracements, you could be waiting for this one for a little scalp of a long that may be entered as a scalp, but then obviously could be turning into a much bigger trade if Bitcoin decides to go higher. However, guys, as I said, that I cannot tell you what will happen on Bitcoin, because obviously, even though everything looks good for a potential move higher, if Bitcoin just drops further, I do also got the second best long to be given, which is potentially us hitting 69.9. We also now got the anchored VWAP, I guess, kind of getting or gradually increasing in price, getting closer to the value area I'm looking for. So right now, to be honest, I would be looking for a fake out of 70 to 69.5. This is also a good zone, to be honest. So I either catch a little one here, or we drop and wait for this one. These are the two kind of good retracements to be looking for longs, because obviously we're uptrending, and whenever we're uptrending, I don't want you guys to be long in the top, nor should you actually randomly short. But if we get a retracement, we obviously teach you guys how to look for smart longs. To be honest, I'm looking and I'm waiting for 70 or 71. Those levels, to be honest, could be getting us some nice longs before Bitcoin, if it wants to actually go much higher.